What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about the difference between private and public keys. You guys may have seen them on your crypto wallet, and you guys may not understand exactly what they are, and I'm going to break it down. So, private keys. Private keys, it's a secret key that's used to sign transactions and access your crypto wallet, okay? And it should be kept secure. And a public key is a publicly shared key used to receive cryptocurrencies, and this can be shared openly. So let's talk about the agenda for understanding crypto security fundamentals within the crypto space. So the introduction to cryptocurrency and keys, I'm going to give you guys an overview of cryptography's role in crypto security. We're going to explore the ECC and digital addresses and transactions. We're going to discuss the significance of private and public key management. And we're going to learn about the SHA 256, ECDSA, and secure generation methods. Let's talk about what all this is. So public key, it's the address you share. And think of a public key like your email address. It's safe to share with anyone because people use it to send you cryptocurrency. Public keys are generated from private keys using strong cryptographic math, so they're always linked together. Example, if someone wants to send you Bitcoin or Ethereum, they need your public key. And your public key is like your home mailbox number. People can drop money or letters in it, but they can't open it, okay? So whenever you guys have that send or receive key, that is going to be your public key for your crypto wallet. It's going to be used for people to send you bread and for you to receive bread as well, okay? So whenever you guys want to receive money or send money, your public key is what you're going to be using, okay? It's kind of like your public crypto email address. And it's perfectly fine if it's shared because that's, once again, that's how you receive and send money. Now the private key on the other end, this is going to be like a secret password. You guys may have seen the secret keys and stuff like that. So a simple analogy, your private key is the key to your mailbox. And if you lose it, you lose access. If someone else steals it, they can take everything else inside. So you guys need to be susceptible to any hackers, okay? There's going to be phishing scams, okay? There's going to be lots of email crypto scams that you guys need to be aware of, trying to get your secret key. And what are we going to tell them? No, you're not going to give them your secret key, because if someone gets access to your secret key, they can actually take everything. Okay, so keep your secret key private. Don't tell anyone it, and just keep it to yourself. Okay, because once someone gets a hold of your secret key, they can get access to your entire account. Okay, and a private key is like your email password. You never share it with anyone. It's a long, unique number that proves you are the true owner of the crypto linked to your public key, okay? And when you make a transaction, like sending crypto, your private key is used to digitally sign it. And this proves the transaction is authentic and comes from you. And if someone else gets your private key, they could take full control of your crypto forever, okay? Some people keep their crypto secured on a USB as well and certain things, but that's more wallet based. But your private keys, those are going to be embedded keys within your crypto wallet account, okay, and whatever broker you use, okay? So in short, your public key is going to be like your crypto address that you can share with others, okay, like your public crypto email address. And your private key is going to be your crypto password, something that you never share, okay? Once again, there's going to be lots of scams coming in your email. You might see them in the YouTube comments, stuff like that, trying to get your secret key. Do not give them your private key, okay? And without both, blockchain security does not work, okay? So the difference is summarized. So public key, once again, it's safe to share and it's used to receive crypto to your funds, okay? And a private key is top secret. It's like your password, okay? And it's used to send crypto and prove ownership, okay? There's going to be people trying to get your private key from you, okay? That's going to be your send key, okay? Do not give people that, because otherwise they can do whatever they want with your wallet, okay? And they work together. The public key shows where your funds are, and the private key controls them. An introduction to cryptography. Understanding the role of keys in security. Cryptography is essential for securing transactions in the crypto world. Public and private keys also ensure that users' data remains confidential and that their identities are protected from unauthorized access. So that send key, once again, do not send that to anybody, but you guys can send your receive key, but your send key, that's something you have to keep to yourself, okay? And the future of crypto security, exploring quantum resistance and multi-signature solutions. As quantum technology advances, ensuring the security of crypto assets becomes imperative. Multi-signature solutions provide an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access and potential vulnerabilities in a post-quantum world. Okay, so crypto is becoming more and more secure each and every single day, especially as more laws get passed, especially as more people get involved, as more brokers get more money and more investors understand that crypto is a secure environment. Then, inshallah, God wills, we're going to see the crypto security and the future of it increase significantly. So, understanding public keys. Public keys enable secure transactions in crypto networks, okay? And digital addresses serve as a user's unique identifier, okay? So everyone has their own specific digital address, whether it be for Ethereum, okay? Bitcoin, Solana, USDT, there's going to be different addresses that you're going to be able to receive money on depending on what you have. And everyone in the world has a different one. That's the super cool and confidential thing about Bitcoin and not Bitcoin, about sending crypto, okay? And protecting public keys is going to be crucial for maintaining ownership, okay? So do not send your send keys out. Otherwise, people are going to be able to just send bread from your wallet. Okay. Ownership for private keys. Private keys ensure control and access to your assets. Okay. Your private key, make sure you guys have that locked in. Okay. You guys do not need to be giving this out. You guys need to be having your send keys kept to yourself. Okay. If you want to send your receive keys, go ahead. Okay. Receive some bread. But your send keys, those should be primarily kept to yourself. Okay. Now, send, unless you're doing a broker, something like that, something trusted, then you can go ahead and use your send keys if you're trying to send money to like a crypto broker or something like that. Okay. But a lot of the times it's going to be receive. Okay. That's going to be received from one thing to another. Okay. And securing your assets. Protecting private keys is crucial to safeguarding your investments. And losing a private key can lead to irreversible asset losses. Okay, so keep your secret keys as well. Your phrases, keep them private. Okay, do not give those out to people that you do not trust and do not lose them. Okay. And SHA 256. SHA 256 provides secure hashing for Bitcoin transactions. So SHA 56 kind of like makes it verified, kind of similar to like a bank account system. So that's what SHA 256 is. It just really makes sending Bitcoin transactions more secure, more verified, and make sure everything is confirmed within a way that people can track transactions and really just manage their money within a nice way. And ESDCA adoption. Okay, let's talk about what that is. Okay, so the ECDSA. Okay, what that means is the elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. And it's a cryptographic algorithm that's used to create and verify digital signatures, serving as a variant of the digital signature algorithm, DSA, that leverages elliptic curve cryptography. It provides a secure method for ensuring the authenticity and integrity of digital messages or documents. The ECDSA relies on the mathematical properties of elliptical curves over finite fields, where the security is based on the difficulty of solving the elliptic curve, discrete logarithm problem. And the algorithm involves generating a key pair consisting of a private key and a corresponding public key with it, with the private key being a randomly selected integer, and the public key is derived by multiplying the private key with a predefined based on the point of the curve. Okay, so that's ECDSA, standing for elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. Okay, and rise of one-way functions. One-way functions ensure irreversibility, okay, enhancing security and key generation. Okay, now you guys need to be making sure when you guys are sending your crypto or receiving your crypto, for the love of God, please make sure that your crypto wallet is copied and pasted correctly. Okay. I've seen people lose bread on accident sending, or even if you just have one key wrong, copy and paste it from your public key, the bread could go into the void or just go to somebody else. Okay. So please make sure that the keys that you copy and paste are correct before you send or receive anything. And ongoing developments. Continuous enhancements to cryptographic methods strengthen security against new threats. So 2FA, lots of stuff coming out in order to just stop people from sending bread. So crypto over time, alhamdulillah, thank God it's the greatest, is becoming more secure. So you guys can send money all over the world within a quick and instant way. And private key validation. Private key validation confirms ownership of assets, allowing users to authorize transactions, thus maintaining integrity and security in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So anybody can't just be doing anything on the block. It's not a lot of stealing going on. Okay. Everything has to be very secure, very exact. And the transaction codes for the public keys are so long that like it's really hard to like just guess, you know? So that's also why it's important too, to make sure you guys have all the correct stuff copy and pasted. Okay. And public key signatures. Public key signatures ensure that a transaction is verified without revealing the private key, and enabling secure communications and trust in the blockchain network. Okay. So 3 out of 4 users lack proper understanding of key management. Okay. So you guys don't want to be that. That's why people say like a low percentage of traders succeed. That's due to just lack of education. Okay. You get educated, and inshallah, God wills, you'll succeed too. And 60% of hacks occur due to weak security practices. Once again, look out for email scams. You guys might get text scams, phishing scams. Anybody random asking for your public keys or anything like that, or secret keys, is a scam. Please be aware of that. And 7 million significant funds are lost due to forgotten private keys. So make sure you guys remember your keys, have all of your wallet information compounded, whether that be your secret keys, you can have your receipt keys, just everything. Make sure you guys have it stashed away somewhere so you always have access to your funds. Okay. And security is not a product, but a process. It's continuously updating and adapting. The security that's involved within crypto is high. Okay. The codes are really, really long when it comes to sending and receiving. Once again, there's a lot of 2FA, secret keys, Face ID, just lots of stuff, hardware ledgers, lots of stuff to keep your bread secure. Okay, so don't just think anyone's going to be able to get access to your funds, because if you keep it secure, a lot of the times that's just not going to happen. Okay, so may Allah bless you and your loved ones. Please don't ever give up. Inshallah, keep going. Whenever times are hard, whenever you guys feel like you don't understand things, whenever you guys feel like you're not educated enough, ask God for wisdom and go hit the books. Okay, go study, go put time in, go hit YouTube, and just keep grinding. Understand that if you want to be a trader, you need to understand every single perspective within the market. It's time to get educated more than ever, and it's time to get to the next level, inshallah. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.